If you have files on your PC or at a specific location that you permanently deleted, Shift Delete, and you want to recover them, you just go to the Play Store if you're using Windows, and then look for Recover. Download this software. Start it. Next. In my case, I want to retrieve pictures, so I'm just going to choose pictures here. Next. And then in a specific location, I'm copying the path now. Next. And start. You can choose the deep scan option. That will take a longer time, but it will give you almost a guaranteed result. There's nothing guaranteed with a fast one, but I'm just taking a risk here. As you can see, as I took a risk, it only recovered one file, but you got the idea. And then recover, and then you can choose the path of the file to be recovered in. I'm just going to choose the same path. And here you go, it just recovered the picture.